Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Aurora version and that you have admin privileges. This matters because default dashboards are role restricted. Once done, export or backup the current dashboard JSON so you can revert if needed. Next, open Settings and navigate to Dashboard right arrow defaults to start. You will now choose the dashboard to promote. Pick one that reflects common queries and widgets. This minimizes user disruption and ensures consistency across teams as you apply the default. You now refine layout and widget configuration. Adjust sizes, refresh intervals, and visibility by role so the default fits real workloads. Once configured, set filter defaults and save queries that everyone needs. This saves time and enforces best practices. Then test the dashboard using a staging account to confirm permissions and rendering. Make sure to check performance if load is slow. Reduce widgets or enable lazy loading so the dashboard remains responsive for all users. You are ready to apply the default. Choose global or group scope, then save and notify users through a changelog so expectations are clear. After deployment, monitor error rates and load times for the first 24 to 72 hours and gather feedback. If users report breakage or you see errors, revert immediately using your backup and diagnose widget or permission issues. One key troubleshooting tip: check role-based visibility and saved query permissions first. They are the most common cause of missing panels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.